my side, and in her right hand a silver dagger. She says that I can't be your bride. All men are false, says my mother. They'll tell you wicked, loving lies. The very next evening they'll court another, leave you alone to pine and sigh. My daddy is a handsome devil. He's got a chain 5 miles long. On every link a heart does dangle of another maid he's loved and wronged. Go court another tender maiden and hope that she will be your wife, for I've been warned and I've decided to sleep alone all of my life.